Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. My boy's bathroom, the bathtub or the shower enclosure has some kind of cracks. Fiber material, it's not porcelain. So I asked the sales associate from Home Depot, see what kind of repair kit that I need. So she gave me one of this repair kit. Hopefully it's gonna work. Porcelain chip fix. So this will repair chips, scratches, cracks, and nicks. This one is the white color. Heat and water resistant. Do not touch in 10 minutes. So hopefully this tube is enough for me to do those repair. It works great on the bathtub, sinks, tile, appliance. And here are the instruction on how to open up. And I've got some of this ceramic tile, try to glue on top of the cracks. Hopefully it's gonna work. I'm just gonna use silicone glue, put on the back here, and then put it on between the cracks. I bought 8 pieces of this. At first I thought it was like 64 cents each. And when I check out, it turns out to be only 8 cents each. So I was kind of surprised. So if you guys didn't believe me, here is the price. 8 pieces of those white color for only 8 cents each. And the porcelain chip fix is $4.98. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. So this is what it look like. A couple of the chip right here, over here, there, and over here. And then on the bathtub, got a whole bunch of cracks that needs to repair. And one over here. Alright, I'm going to put this clear RTV silicone adhesive and sealant on the back of the ceramic tile. Got a tube over here that's open already. So I put like 2 tiles over here to cover this ugly chips. I already used some cleaner to clean the tile. Make sure you clean it out, or else it's not gonna stick too well. I have a masking tape right here to help me tape the ceramic tile down, so you'll be holding it. Ooh. So it covered all those chip and scratches, broken fiber material. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. YouTube, so I'm trying to use this to fix my bathtub. See if it's gonna work. Got this at the Home Depot for $4.98. It's kind of small too for that price. So I'm gonna puncture this with this pointed tip right here. Wow. So let's go ahead and do that. This is heat and water resistant. It says do not touch for 10 minutes after you apply. So this is what's it look like after we remove the painter's blue tape. As you can see, it covers all the cracks. And then this is the other side.